Hi friends, some people request me to make this video how to change detection to different time period of satellite image. So I create this video. Let's start how to change detection between different time period of satellite image. So let's start. Address imaging 9.2 use. So this is the interpreter and utilities to change detection. So, this is the change detection. Before image means here two different time period 2014 and 2018. So there is the input 2014 before image here. Suppose we're gonna do 2014 image. There is the TIFF file format, the single band for band 5. So there is the near infrared band. So there is the satellite image for Landsat 8. So band 5 is the near infrared band. Input near infrared band 2014. And after means 2018 band 5. There is the file format is TIFF. So Landsat 5, Landsat 8, band 5, 2014, and Landsat 8, band number 5, 2018. Image reference file name. There is the image reference. Image reference and a highlight change detection file. There is the highlight file, and here highlight change as a percentage as a value, increase more than 10 and decrease more than 10. So this is the choose of this increase and more than and decrease of the more than. Here I am choose the 15% of the increase and 15% of the decrease. So here green is the increase and decrease is the rate. So okay. Run this process. Change detection is the very useful techniques for two different time period for same place. There is the complete of the run and open the image referencing file. Viewer and open the image referencing. So highlight and image referencing image. So open this. There is the reference image and there is the highlight image open. There is a highlight image. The green is the green is the increase. Green is the increase of the 15% more than here, and the red is the decrease of more than 15% here, and the black is the not change. So meaning of this image, increase of more than 15% here was the green. So there is the green is the increase of the more than 15%, and the red is the decrease of the 15%. The black is the not change. So there is the image. There is the difference image of the this image. There is the difference in image. Main image. This image is the attribute, raster, and attribute. So there is the black is the unchanged, and histogram. This is the decreased of the red and the increased of the green. So there is the raster attribute of highlight image. There is the highlight image and raster attribute. There is the value of the increase and decrease of the per pixel. Change detection is a very useful techniques for remote sensing purpose. So thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and more update remote sensing and GIS related work.